Before I say anything on today's video, I want to plead with you to please give this video a thumbs up. At least if 1,000 of you give this video a thumbs up in an hour or 2 hours time, that will really mean a lot to me. That will really help boost this video, and that's the only support I need from you. Thank you so much as you do this for me. Hey queens and kings, welcome to the channel. Dima is my name, and on this channel I share lots of natural hair growth DIY contents to improve your hair growth, thickness and health. On this channel we believe that everything that grows out from the soil is a potential hair care products. They are 100% natural, free from harsh chemicals, and are great to use on natural hair. You can never go wrong with natural products. Please, before you continue watching, kindly tap on the red button that says subscribe. Also tap on the bell icon. Lastly, please ensure you watch this video to the end, as all instructions will be stated towards the end of the video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing 3 powerful ingredients hair growth spray that can help your hair grow quick, also help stop shedding, help treat bald patches, and many more. Today's recipe is a very simple one, and if you've been on this channel, I bet you have all the ingredients. All the ingredients are also simple and are what you can as well find in your kitchen. So to begin, grab a jar like so. Make sure all apparatus to be used are well sterilized. Please, I still have in mind to share with you the sterilization process of my apparatus in my subsequent videos coming. Before I talk about Chebe, which is our first ingredient for today's recipe, I want to ask why it's no longer trending on the internet. Do you have an idea? Please drop that in the comment section below. So one of the main ingredients in Chebe powder mixture is a shrub-like plant native to Chad called Croton zambesico. This powder is believed to soften hair and make it thicker. It is also a good hair conditioner for textured and non-textured hair. It also helps the hair retain moisture. So for the proportion, I'm going to be making use of 1 tablespoon of the Chebe powder. Please, when getting your Chebe, make sure to get original. Check on the internet to find those that ship theirs from Chad. The vendors that ship theirs from Chad, buy from those ones. I think they're original. So moving on, my next ingredient is cloves. You already know that on this channel, cloves are no longer a new thing. So cloves have been an important part of Ayurveda and traditional medicine to cure various problems. They contain high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and strength of your hair. They can be used for protecting the scalp from dandruff, which is actually a major cause of weak and thin hair. They contain anti-inflammatory agents which help in hair thickening. It also helps to reduce hair fall too. So for the proportion, I made use of 1 tablespoon of the cloves buds. Some of you may have cloves powder. Please go ahead and use cloves powder if that's what you've got. I'm making use of the buds because that's what I have. For my next ingredient, I have hibiscus powder. Please, if you don't have the powder, go ahead and use the dried flowers. They are all the same thing. So hibiscus is one of the main ingredients on this channel. Hibiscus basically helps with moisture, and I love the fact that it darkens hair over time. Not when your hair is gray, but when your hair is dark but not so dark, it helps your hair to be darker than its original color. So that's what I'm trying to explain. I'm not going to be going in details on this because I've shared a lot of this on this channel, and most of the videos I shared the benefits with you all. So for the proportion, I made use of half a teaspoon of the hibiscus powder. Please, if you're using the flowers, go ahead and use 2 to 3 dried flowers of the hibiscus. Next, we are going to be infusing all these dried ingredients with hot water. This water is boiled at 100 degrees Celsius. That way it will be able to infuse the dried ingredients. For the proportion, I made use of 50 cl worth of hot water. Next, I'm going to be stirring that to combine all the ingredients with my stirring rod. You must not use stirring rod, use anything of choice. Cover up your jar with the lid. Because this lid is made of metal, I'm not going to be using foil paper. I only use foil paper when the jar lid is made of rubber or plastic. So after infusing for 12 hours, here is what I have. Sorry, I forgot to mention, you're to infuse for 8 to 12 hours depending on your time. So I'll go ahead and sieve that using my strainer and a bowl to collect my tea. So after the sieving process, I'll go ahead and transfer this into my applicator bottle. If you don't have applicator bottle, don't worry, you need not go to buy. Improvise by using your body spray bottles. Wash them thoroughly with warm water and a little soap to make it clean. Then you try to sterilize and then use it for your hairsprays. I'm going to be demonstrating for you all how this should be used to achieve your results and your hair goal. Before that, I want to ask, which do you think is best to use, hair mask or hair tea? Kindly leave your comments for me in the comment section below and I'll be replying and giving you my own opinion about this. So just a spray of this light hair serum will help you in styling and it keeps your hair smooth and shiny without a strong hold. This works great for hair styling for dry and frizzy hair. I promise you can never go wrong with this hair spray. It encourages hair growth. It helps in case of premature graying and dandruff, moisturizes dry and itchy scalp, gives a lustrous appearance to the hair. It also thickens your hair. I bet you can't go wrong with this hairspray. It may look simple, but it's very effective. This hairspray is a unisex DIY hair product. It can be used by both men and women with complete confidence. It acts as a living hair conditioner. That means that you need not wash this product out. All you need to do is just spray it on your hair and seal in all that moisture with your hair butter cream or your hair growth oil. You can also do extra by adding some leave-in conditioner. Side note, you can also add some essential oils that helps improve the efficacy of this tonic. Please use only good quality essential oils and do not use any artificial or mineral oil to mix this tonic. For storage, please store this in the refrigerator for 5 days. That is, if you're not using any preservatives. I don't advise you to use preservatives, especially when you don't know how it's being used. Please store for 5 days, and after 5 days, this spray goes rancid with or without constant light in your refrigerator. So you need to discard and make a fresh batch after 5 days in the refrigerator. I hope you understand. You can use this spray 2 to 3 times weekly to moisturize your hair. Please do not exceed that, as that would be doing too much. So just use 2 to 3 times weekly for your moisture and ensure you seal in that moisture with hair butter cream or hair growth oil. With this spray, say goodbye to dry hair and say hello to long hair. Please make sure to include hibiscus in this recipe if you want to see results. Some of you come to tell me in the comments that you don't have hibiscus. Please search for hibiscus. Hibiscus can be found anywhere. Most especially for those of you in the diaspora, you can get it on Amazon. Amazon stock hibiscus and they don't run out of stock. Always go there to shop. Thank you. Please, if your hair is thinning out and your hair is stuck at same hair length, please do not joke with this spray. Take it seriously and you will definitely see results. You will see your hair thickening up. Please do not forget that you can use this hairspray as the last process on your wash day. Use as hair tea as your hair rinse. After shampooing your hair, you deep condition, and then you use this hair tea as the last process before rinsing out with just water. This is basically how to use this. Spritz generously to slightly damp hair. Massage the scalp with your fingers. Most effective when used as a leave-in, but can also be used as a rinse out. So you can use this product as a leave-in, as in spray and seal all that moisture. That's the most effective way to use this. No need to rinse out. That brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you shortly.